Yes, I know what your favorite meal is. It's going to be a very extra special evening. Don't worry about it, okay? Oh, hey, you know what, honey? Russ is here. Yes, that Russ. I met him and we just hit it off. Look, let me just go. I'll call you back. All right, he's right downstairs.
Hello.
Hey, Russ, how are you?
Very well. Thanks for agreeing to watch my house when I'm gone.
No problem. Where are you going to?
I'm going for a little R&R in Turks and Caicos, situated 575 miles southeast of Miami and 39 miles southeast of Mayaguana in the Bahamas.
That sounds amazing. You have the keys? Oh, great. Have a good time. Hey, I'll check on the house on the way to work. Jesus, that's a lot of luggage for 1 week vacation. Eric, if phone rings, pick up. Hello! If you know the movie you'd like to see, press 1. Hello!
Eric, you know you can't be late again. Goodman's on the prowl. Do you know what time it is?
8:58 a.m. on the way!
Hey, asshole, stay in your lane.
For my middle finger, press 1.
Hey, buddy.
Hello! Rated PG-13 for adult humor.
Who is that?
Hello!
Eric, Mr. Goodman wants to see you in his office right now.
Be right there!
Coming. You know what time it is?
9:25 a.m.
And you know what that means?
I'm sorry, that selection's not in our records.
You're making a joke. What is it that you're doing?
For a detailed explanation, press 1.
I think I deserve an explanation, Eric, don't you?
Press 1.
Okay, I'll play along. 1.
2 hours ago, Eric Kine knew who he was. But this particular morning, his life got turned upside down. This Halloween season, when a friend asks you to do a favor, you may want to turn him down. Favor gone wrong. Rated R. For showtimes, press 1!
Try this one. Voiceover boy.
You're fired. Rated PG. Hello.
How'd it go?
Really fucking shitty. Rated R. Marriage proposal. Rated PG-13.
Please stop the voice.
If you want to marry me, press 1. If you want to think about it and I'll understand. Hello!
Can I offer you another rum groove, sir?
Yes, I would love one.
By the way, do I know you from somewhere?
No. No, you don't.